Sadly, our vacation is coming to a close. It is Thursday. What day is today? November the 6th. We've been here for 3 weeks already. We're leaving tomorrow morning. We're going to make a stop in DC before we head to Raleigh for the train show on Saturday. But I just wanted to show you a few clips of some of the things that we did while we're here and a little teaser of what I'll be showing you when we get back, because we went to York, Pennsylvania for the Train Collectors Association train show. We went to Timonium train show. We went to a couple of field hockey games for my granddaughter and to a JV football game for my grandson, National Aquarium, and a lot of other things. So here it is, right before we leave. This is our last night at my daughter's house. It's cold, but we're getting used to it. And maybe we'll be back up here next August for some more festivities when my two twin granddaughters turn 21. So enjoy the teaser of the things that we're going to show you next week when we get home.
My baby is eating its muffin.
All right. We pulled out of Wawa at 7:20 with coffee, muffin, and ice. We're on our way.
What?
67 degrees. We're going to stop in Bartow for breakfast. You caught me when I just took a bite.
I know, but...
Okay. And then after breakfast, we're going to Bushnell Falls, which is probably about another hour and a half from there. They don't open up till 10 o'clock, so we got plenty of time to get there.
Oh, good.
And then from there, it's about maybe 7-hour drive to Florence, North Carolina.
Oh, so really?
We're on our way. And the gas is pretty cheap.
Yeah, thank God.
What was it, $2.89 or
$2.89.
$2.89 at the Wawa.
$2.68.
$2.68 there. My goodness, wow.
Let's see what it is.
Yeah, the other day we got it for $2.71 at the Murphy's. We'll see what it's like coming up here. That's $2.73 right there. My goodness, pretty cheap. Got a little bit of clouds this morning.
Thank God. I prayed that the gas would be low.
Well, we'll see how it is in the other states.
Oh,
some
yeah.
states are lower, some states are higher.
Higher.
Yeah. Okay, so we're almost here at Murphy's to see what it is. But nice driving conditions today. A little bit cloudy.
Good.
Nice and cool. That's the way we like it.
Yep. We're almost to
Got
it.
everything packed up in a car, ready to go.
Yes. We'll be waiting for this day. 270
at Murphy. All right. Okay, we're on our way. We have video of this one when we were here in February. They just hooked it up and they just put all this, the valence on here. They still have to put the lighting on there. But it goes around the other side. Oh, there you go. Got some lights there.
I didn't know he went around that way and went over there.
Yep. All the way back. Okay. Nice big layout here. And then this one here. This was Children's Hospital it came out of?
Atlanta, yeah. It was built to go in a Children's Hospital in Atlanta.
Uh-huh.
And it was there for several years, and then they decided they needed the space for something else.
Clinics. Yeah, like when I worked at Walter Reed Hospital, they were closing down all the patient rooms and building clinics. There you go.
Amen.
Had to pick up a Bucky's bucket. We had to come back here in the morning because they have some good stuff here.
Yeah.
We got some biscuits and we got some burritos.
Hockey matchup. Today's conference contest features the Susquehanna Riverhawks and your Catholic University Cardinals. Catholic University and the Landmark Conference take great pride in the conduct of good sportsmanship of all its student athletes and staff. We encourage you to support your team in a positive manner while at the same time showing respect to participants, team personnel, officials, and other spectators in attendance. Derogatory language or disrespectful behavior aimed at any player, coach, official, or fellow fan is grounds for removal from the venue. We thank you for your cooperation and support.
Okay, inside, Debbie's already making her way down to that end. We came in the door on the right-hand side. We're at 8A. We're going to take a look around. And we got a pass for just this building right here. Did not want to go to all 7 buildings.
It's even better than the original. Because I had it. Cohen made it.
No need to go
But I did
all
not-
7
I did not
buildings,
feel
but
you
here we
well
go.
enough for you to help me.
There it is right here. That's all of them. Okay. So let me start walking up. Which way do I want to go? Okay. I'll go this way here. Well, we're sitting here with the snack bar behind us. Debbie says the sodas, the fountain drinks, are $5 a piece. Let me see where they're at.
For a big one.
For a big one like that.
$3 for this one.
$3 for that one. And what was it for the cheeseburger? $12. You get a soda with it too? No. So cheeseburger and chips is $12. And there's no food truck out there. So I'm just sitting here with Debbie. We got our phone on the bricks. I got mine on my brick and Debbie got her brick over there. See the little brick over there. And there's a glimpse of. You'll have to wait until we see the train show hall to see what I actually got. All right.
There's all those switch on the end of the set.
I'll help. Yeah, when it's ready. I'm gonna hit these with
I'm over
flat.
this one.
Turn around over here, Tom. Look at
Yeah.
this. We've knocked over. You know how long it took us to clean this shop? It took 5
I can imagine.
And it's a
A
wrecking.
lot of stuff here, huh?
Look at this shit.
My goodness.
We can't find shit all the time. And you know the fire escape, Sandy had come in.
Well, at least
Damn,
you
you
got
guys.
everything marked.
Well, out of these stains are getting hard to find.
Yeah.
We have a million metal kits, you know, that
Uh-huh.
you need to hire some Vietnamese
Yeah.
for $8 an hour to paint.
Wow.
I want that on tape. Look at this, man. All these shingles.
Uh-huh. Wow.
Yeah.
Did you mention something about underline stains?
A what?
Underline stains?
Yeah. There's a group of veterans selling stains that are made in America because nobody can get the Hunterline stain. I got to find out what their name is,
Contact.
their contact information.
Be below it.
I don't know. I would imagine they're good if they went through the trouble of
Well,
making.
They brought the market.
Now, Mud Creek Models has some colors for $13 a bottle, but they don't have driftwood. Nobody has driftwood. We've got that. We've got the smaller. This guy came down to pick this up. Well, he wanted this. He saw it on the channel, and it was too big for him. So we
Wow.
sold him. We made him a smaller version. He's coming down on Thanksgiving to pick it up with this. So they're both sold and paid for. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
Oversize. Yeah. And this is the HO. Every power plant's a little different,
Yeah.
but this is an HO version.
That's HO right there?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's the small one.
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
Sold.
Yeah.
That's awesome looking.
Yeah, he designed this. And
Yeah.
When I first started over here almost 4 years ago, 3.5, 4 years ago, he had a drawing of this,
Yeah.
and I saw it and I said, I've got to build this. So when you guys come over my house later this afternoon, you'll see the one I built.
So we're over at Al Puglisi's place right now. There's Al talking to Debbie over there. And we're going to take you right where we left off the last time. Let me flip. And we started over here. Okay, now there's the new addition in there. So Al, take us over there. Show us what you did.
Well, Howard and I worked on this incredible Howard Zane design. It's a story I told on my channel. I had a mock-up for out of here. So I took it over to Howard's, and I was going to start building the Oakland Inn. And Howard said, "Why are you doing the Oakland Inn? Let's do a design, a custom design," which he drew up. And I fell in love with it, and we both worked on it together. And it's like one of my most, premier structures. And then I've been expanding Pugsburg. My wife wasn't very happy. My kids are gone. This was an 11 by 11 foot room to the left. And that's going to be West Pugsburg. And this is East Pugsburg. And I knocked a hole in the wall. So I've got a large cellulose-like apartment building that the trains run through at the bottom, kind of like what you see on the Franklin in Manchester. And then the trains will go in to this new area, which is under construction. And there's some staging here because now my layout was overcrowded. The main line had not enough capacity. Now we can park passenger trains.
So,
You're good.
Look at dead fish.
hey, look
Look at that.
Hey, look down here. You want to see it?
Look at dead fish.
Squat. See him on the ground?
Yeah.
Did you see it?
Gabby Collins just got trained to do that with her 4th grade class.
What?
So
You have to get trained in
yeah,
that?
the teachers have to go to like 3 days of training to take care of them and
Do
then
you
they're
just
released.
apply to be able to do that?
Yep.
Thanks.
Do I even need to say it anymore? No. It's 36, by the way, if you've lost count.
Everybody's involved with the games.
That's fair.
Well, this is our last trip to the Amish market in Annapolis. Debbie's eating her cheeseburger pretzel log that we just got. And I'm going to go back in and get some Lebanon bologna before. There's what it looks like right there. Our favorite places are our second time here since we've been up here. And we're going to be leaving tomorrow, so we had to make one last stop.
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, so we got gassed up and we got ice in a cooler. Going back in to get the bologna and then gonna go make some, what did Peyton want? Grilled cheese sandwich tonight, yeah. And that'll be it, so there we go. Oh yeah, and don't forget, I'll be showing you some of the clips from the Raleigh train show that we are going to go see on Saturday. And we got the train guy, or not the train guy, we got the bridge guy who informed me of it, and we're going to be talking to him down there, and maybe we'll be doing a live stream with him sometime in the month of November, so take a look for that. We're going to be going back onto the regular schedule Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 7 p.m. and a lot of other things because I got a lot of catching up to do because I missed the first week and a half of the November. So we'll see you next week. So until the next time, we'll see you and have fun with whatever you're doing.